We are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this tutorial I would like to demonstrate that you can clone WhatsApp in Oppo. So in order to copy the WhatsApp application on an Oppo smartphone or simply clone it, you will need to firstly get the WhatsApp, obviously, download and install it from the Play Store for free, then launch the Settings app, enter the apps category over there, then go for the app cloner feature. Choose the WhatsApp from the list, then turn on the Create App Clone toggle. Wait until the system will copy the WhatsApp. From here you can rename the cloned version or cloned instance of the WhatsApp application. So, well, I'll just name it WhatsApp 2. Why not? Then you can set up your quick functions preferences and decide which instance of the WhatsApp you have, either main or cloned one, you would like to be launched through the quick functions or quick shortcuts or gestures. But, well, that will be pretty much it. As you can see, we have two WhatsApps on... I have two WhatsApps on my phone, main one and the cloned or copied one, so I can very conveniently use two separate WhatsApp accounts. So, for example, I can conveniently use this one for my personal WhatsApp, this one for my work WhatsApp, or whatever is your particular usage scenario. You can absolutely do that. And well, that will be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.